Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Capcut and importing the photos you want to zoom. This gives you full control of framing. Once done, drag the primary photo onto the timeline and position it where the zoom should begin. Make sure the clip duration is set. 3 to 6 seconds is a common choice because it balances motion and clarity. Setting duration first matters because the speed of the zoom is tied to that time, so adjust now before adding keyframes or effects. You now add motion using keyframes. This gives you precise control over the zoom. First, tap the clip, open Edit, and hit the keyframe button. Place the initial keyframe at the start and keep scale and position natural. Next, move the playhead toward the clip end and add a second keyframe. Increase the scale value and nudge position to reframe the subject. Because keyframes interpolate, you get a smooth zoom. Make small adjustments and preview playback to tunes. You finish by refining movement and exporting so the zoom looks polished. Apply ease in or ease out on keyframes to eliminate abrupt starts or stops, and preview playback at full resolution to check for unwanted cropping or blur. Adjust scale if details are lost. If motion is jittery, slightly stagger keyframes or reduce scale. Finally, export with your target resolution and frame rate. If things go wrong, reset keyframes, redo a short test clip, and keep original photos at higher resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.